With increasing the number of internet users, sharing of an image has become an integral part of every person's life. But common people can't understand the realness of the image. So there may be a chance that fake image may circulate on the internet and convey wrong message which may lead to many personal and social problems. Fake images are the images that are digitally altered. Using the latest image editing software, it is possible to make alteration on the images with a precision that are too difficult for the human eye to detect. Our project aims at the identification of fake images by providing a platform for the user to check the realness of the image. We approach machine learning and deep learning techniques to detect the tampering of images. Before showing the demo, let me clarify one thing, what we mean by a fake or real image. The image which is taken by a camera is a real image. Once you take that image into an image manipulation software such as Photoshop and do some modification and save it, then it will be considered as a fake image. Let's see the demo of PhotoForensics web app. Let me show you a demo of a real image which is taken using a DSLR camera. As you can see here, in the first step it is showing that it is authenticate by analyzing the metadata. If you click the metadata button, the metadata will be listed here. When you click on error level, the error level present in the image is displayed to show to the user. Now let's test the image using machine learning. Once the machine learning process is completed, the result will be displayed. As you can see here, real badge is shown on the image. Now let's try with a fake image. Click on analyze image and there is no metadata present in the image, so it's showing that it is not known to the machine, it's unknown. Let's test this image using machine learning. The machine learning is performing to the image. The image is displayed as a fake. As you can see, the fake badge is present on the image. Now let's see the PhotoForensics standalone application. This is same as the web app, but it will be a standalone application which will be there for Mac, Windows and also for Linux distributions. Let's test this by using an fake image. Let us use this image. Okay, click on analyze image. As you can see here, metadata is also not present for this image, so it is showing that unknown. Let's analyze using machine learning. Now what you are seeing is the output from the machine learning. It's showing that it's a fake image. Let's exit the app. Thank you.